Okay, we're looking at circle theorems here and some pretty straightforward questions on circle theorems. Alright, so first one, okay, find ACB. So ACB is this angle here, and it's because we've got O is the centre, there's the centre, okay, that means this here is a right angle, so in order to find ACB, we just got to do 90 minus 62, which is 28. Now then, you need, if you're asked for an explanation, angles subtended. Oops, subtrended. It's not subtrended, it's subtended. Alright, tended from, oops, oh, I changed the colour by mistake, from a diameter. Okay, so there you go. So that's the first one. Second, it says we're going to find DGF. Now DGF here, now this is a cyclic quadrilateral because all the points, okay, are on the circumference of the circle, and the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add to 180. So all we've got to do is 180 minus 98, which gives me 82. Oops, 82, and then opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add to 180 or sum to 180, either's fine. Okay, now this one here, okay, find HIJ, so that's that angle there, right, and that is half of this angle here, okay, because we've got at the centre again, alright, so we just need to do 111 divided by 2. Now, part of the reason for doing this one is because, oops, you can have, I'm just going to put my decimal point in the wrong place. Okay, you can have half angles, there's nothing wrong with that, 55.5 degrees. So angle at centre is double the angle at circumference at circumference. Okay, so there you go. And then finally, oops, I need colour, there we go. Right, now what we've got there is this sort of thing. You don't see this very often. So that is a right angle because you've got KL is a tangent, so this is a tangent. It would probably say that in the question. I didn't have a lot of room, so I didn't write that. So KL is a tangent, and you've got a radius here. This is a radius, and so therefore they meet at 90 degrees, which means that KOL, which is this angle here, is going to be 90 minus 31, which is 59. Okay, and that's because radius meets tangent at 90 degrees. Okay, so there you go. There's some pretty straightforward circle theorems questions. You've got to learn the circle theorems. There's no two ways about it, I'm afraid. You've just got to learn to recognise them and basically work them out using them.